guys, today I will teach you how to make a simple AI in Scratch. This project that I made here is in Romanian because I'm Romanian, but if we get 100,000 likes and views, I will be making this in English and will share this to everybody. So that is what I made for you to see. So you will need script or AI block because you have to paste this code in these three blocks. But for now I want to see what will happen with this. So we will have to press the sprite and he will ask hello. You'll say why we don't put this, say hello, because if we put this before this ask, you will see that when we press this, he will say just hello, we don't ask we. So we will put this ask. Now you will have to do with this or, and if the answer contains, I put that as an example what's 1 plus 1, and you will have to put this in every type that the people that chat with this AI can talk. So on this what's 1 plus 1 this and this. After we will put this and this too. To have this we need to go over here to extension and press on this. So after I have one click before we see what this AI can have. If you have 3 of these, you will can't put R on this. So that is the logic that I made. You don't need 3 of these, you will need just 2 because that is the logic. So if you have here 4, you will need 3 of these. After that, let's see, and this will work. Okay, hello. What is 1 plus 1? Let's see if you will say the response.
2.
Now that is how you make an AI. 100,000 likes and views, and I will make this whole code that is in Romanian, in English, and also I will share this. So like and subscribe and bye.